Good morning. How are you? Today we are going to be making super yogurt with our fantastic loaded up bacteria supply. So we're using Ther-Biotic Complete. I'm making this for my youngest son. So we are going to be making it with peptide, with Pediasure peptide. So this is similar to your normal Pediasure that you get in the store. However, it is loaded up on calories. So the reason I have to use this, I'll explain this while we make it. So my youngest is autistic, and he has some issues with food. Not that he can't eat food. It's just that he has phobias, has issues with it, and always has since he was at some point after one of those shots. So actually I have pictures of him eating a beef rib, and then that stopped. So getting him nutrition and keeping him healthy is unbelievably difficult. He will drink this with a bottle still at 9 years old. So however, so he has been taking this because we did some testing with him, and he had some issues with his gut. He's had a he's treated him like a lab rat. So the medical community hasn't really helped him at all, unfortunately. And so he has some issues with his gut, identified through a lot of testing, and this has really helped him out. He had eczema, and that's gone thanks to this, because there's several bacteria strains in here that are known to there's a lot of anecdotal evidence that says that they clear up eczema, and it has. Same thing with my oldest son, not my oldest, but my middle child. He had eczema. He's on this, and he's taking yogurt, and he's doing really well. So anyway, all that sad story aside, we're going to be making it with this. We're going to try to make him a healthy yogurt with the stuff that he likes, with something that he actually will consume, something different. So will it work? No idea. But we're going to try it. So let's get started. Now, we got our inulin, we got the bacteria, we have our copious amounts of our peptide. So we're going to mix it up here and put this in our yogurt maker. So let's try this out. So now this does have a little bit of inulin in it. However, and that's used to encapsulate the yogurt. I mean, not the yogurt, but the bacteria, to keep it healthy. So we're going to add a little bit here, add a little bit here. Usually a little bit more than a teaspoon. I mean a quarter. This is a quarter of a tablespoon. So let's add that in there. We're done with this. Put that to the side. Let's add our inulin. So the reason we're doing yogurt is that we've noticed that when we do add things to a yogurt and use the Dr. Davis method of pretty much ramping up the bacteria to a good level, that everybody's body responds to it well. So, it's his turn. So he's been on that for a while. He's been doing okay. No issues. So everything with him is touch and go. So anyway, all right, so let's add this in here. Now this is non-dairy. This is a non-dairy formula, because he had, just tons of issues. Poor kid. I feel sorry for him. His life is really hard. Anyway, but he's a good kid. He's fun. Alright, so we are going to mix this up. A fair amount of clumping going on. This will be interesting to see if this works. These are just jam-packed with nutrition and vitamins. Now the peptide, this is a 1.5, so each one of these has a fair amount of calories in it. So for every 237 milliliters, 8 ounces, it's 356 calories. So he doesn't necessarily drink the whole thing, but we need to put the calories in the kid because he's a growing boy, and as much as we try to help him eat, just hasn't done it. There are times where he actually did eat some stuff. He used to eat fries. That was fun. Back when Whataburger wasn't really gross, we would go there a lot and get him fries and drink, and that was fun. We got there almost every day. Look, and if your kid is there, if there's one thing that he eats, well, guess what? You're going to be going there a lot because you are not going to do anything to discourage him from eating. Unfortunately, the last thing that he ate was he used to like to eat howto candy. That's why, like, every Halloween we have like about 1,000 howtos, because unfortunately he didn't want to eat all of it. He only wanted to eat strawberry, and so we ended up with bags and bags and bags of candy every year. I mean, a lot of candy, because he would go through and he would chow down on that candy. You're like, oh, you shouldn't eat candy. Well, you know, he has to eat some. He can't discourage a child that's going to eat something, because maybe that'll lead to him eating something else. But he choked on one, and he didn't want to do it anymore. So now he's not eating anything at all, just drinking this stuff. So we will keep going, try something else. So it means the poor kid has to eat he has to be about every hour and a half. It's almost like a baby, which is funny because his nickname is Baby. We still call him that. It's bad. It's such a bad habit. If you ever call your child a nickname Baby, that's gonna stick for life. Because I mean, you just don't want to call him by his name, because calling somebody baby is just too cute. All right, so that's in there. Okay, so this is ready. Okay. All right, so let's go put this in our yogurt maker. That around. Okay, let's get our other one without dropping it. Sorry about the camera movements there. Alright, let's plug her in. And some water. This water's already pretty hot. It's probably a good 90, pretty close to that. So everything in that super yogurt cooks at 99 degrees. There's just a few of them. They're just like a tad bit higher. Alright, so let's drop that down. Hit the start button. We're going to do this for 36 hours. I might take it out after 24. We'll see. We always try to ease him into everything. 36 start, but we'll just hit this and we'll see how it goes, and maybe tomorrow I might just take it out, just you know, ease him into this yoga regimen. So there we go. That's quick and easy, wasn't it? All right, well, I'll see you again in 36 hours. Okay, we're at 12 hours, and I'm gonna pull this because I kind of peeked at it a little bit earlier, and it had already made some super duper yogurt. So let me pull this out. I think I need to make something that makes this easier to get out. Alright, so there's that. There we go. That is solid. Okay. Yeah, I'm also pulling this because this is for my son. He's 9. So we want to get him going on this good yogurt regimen, but I don't need super concentrated bacteria as much because we're kind of easing him into this, and I want to try to get him to where he'll eat it and he won't have any issues. So alright, so this is done. We'll put these in the fridge and then we're going to try it. Right, so 24 hours later we have our yogurt and it is solid, and considering it came from a non-dairy product, it came out really well. So we've already tried it, and we were curious what it tasted like. So let's try this. There we go. So here's the consistency. Right, so it's good. It's soft. It's fairly soft, decent yogurt. I think this would be very easy for children to eat. Very good taste. Wow, that tastes really good. Now it's a little sharp. You may want to put some honey in it. It's not that sharp, but I mean, it has the peptide. This does tend to be a little bit. It's tastes good, but it's definitely loaded with nutrients. So that's the good thing, is that you could make this with any kind of probably any Pediasure, not necessarily the peptide. Like, this is a special formula. You have to get this from direct from the manufacturer or through a medical supply company. So this is just for my son. It's very special kind of stuff, but it did make great yogurt. So it looks good. It tastes good. It is really good. I'm really surprised. I'm really surprised how well it came out, because I really didn't think. I thought it would turn into some sort of watery mess, but we only cooked it for 24 hours, and the reason being, this is going to our 9-year-old. So we need to make sure that he doesn't get too much, right? So we're very cautious about anything that we give him, because his reactions can be severe. So he is already taking the Ther-Biotic bacteria, so he's okay with that. He's used to that. He's also used to this. So to combine these into something that he might be able to eat or consume is good. So there's be additional calories that he can have, as well as getting a very good probiotic formula. So I think you can do the same thing. So if your parent is looking to do something different, trying to get your kids to eat yogurt, healthier yogurt, or if they've been on antibiotics, or they've been on a course of maybe anti-parasiticals, anything that might disrupt the biome of their small intestines, this would be a good way to kind of get that nutrition in there. If they have issues with milk, or if they are lactose intolerant, this is a good solution. So I think in some follow-up videos, we're going to try regular Pediasure with the different flavors, the chocolate and strawberry and vanilla. We're going to do a whole bunch of different stuff. So appreciate you all watching. Wish you all the best and take care.